Good morning. Today is the 10th of March 2020. This is Math 8, and we're going to be building functions today. This is a review of stuff we've done. We actually spent 2 days on this earlier in the year. Now we're going to do it all again, but in 1 day. And let's see, who am I missing? Griffin, this is for you. I know that I'm also missing Kyla and Evelina. So hopefully you are watching it. I emailed your parents the links, or I will email Griffin's parents the links. Oh, and who else? Is that it for 7th graders? Okay. So what we're going to do in your notes, if I write it, you write it. Y equals mx plus b. Grab a mug. Let's sing it because it's fun to sing. Sing along with us, Lorena. Yeah. Dakota, good.
Breaking your mug high.
There it is. Y equals mx plus b. 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 Cheers. Boom. Okay. The two things we need. Y equals mx plus b. If we have the slope and the intercept, we can build the equation. Slope y-intercept. I need those two things. Slope is also called rate of change. So I need the slope and the y-intercept, or the rate of change in the y-intercept, and I can build the equation. I got to get those two things, and then I can build my equation. If I say slope, you say rate of change. Ready? Slope?
Rate of change.
Slope?
Rate of change.
Slope?
Rate of change.
It is the same thing. If I say rate of change, you say slope. Rate of change?
Slope.
Rate of change?
Slope.
Rate of change.
Slope.
If I say Talitha, you say brown. Talitha?
Brown.
Talitha?
Brown.
Good. If I can get these things, I can build my equation. I just plug them into the slope-intercept equation. So we're going to do one example. Actually, you know what? Here. No, we're not. Get the slope. Get the y-intercept. Build y equals mx plus b. Those are the notes. Once you have that into your notebook, get a whiteboard and a marker for me. Hello, Sophia. Oh, look at that. You just went out to all of my viewers. It's a good song.
Literally, and I think I still have it. That's the scary thing.
How much viewers do you average?
Average? Let's see, 0. So you add up all the numbers, like 0, and then you divide by the number of numbers, 0, which would be 0. No one's watching this. All right. Go to slide 3.
Content.
Yeah, my content's pretty weak.
Mr. Barre, there's this one guy in the live stream.
I wanted to monetize it, but they said I'd have to pay them.
Wait, that's not how monetization works.
It does with this channel. All right. What I want you to do, I want you to find the slope of this line for me and write it on your whiteboard. Just the slope of this line. You remember how to find slope of a line? What is the slope of that line? It is hard to read it off of your computer. Zoom in if you need to. What is the slope of that line? It's going to be way easy. You can't even do it from mine. You've got to do it on your computer. All I'm asking for is the slope of the line. That is incorrect, and you're giving me a variable. I don't need a. There should be no variable in this. If I ask you how old you are, you're not going to say, hey, I'm 13x. Slope is a measurement. X is a variable. Okay. That's good. That's good. You're saying it goes up 5 and over 1? Doesn't feel like it goes up 5. No. Yes, put the negative on.
Oh, it goes down.
Good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, go.
Down.
Michael, he's got you.
Why
Thank you.
Did
Good,
you hear him?
good,
So you could negative on the one? No.
good, good. All right. Do you, you're building the whole equation. I'm just asking for the m. I have got the m as negative 1
over
5. How did I do that? Well, there's a good point. And there's a good point, and it looks like it's got a 1 over 5, but it's a negative. So it's a negative 1 over 5.
Yes.
Cool, because it's going downhill. If I put my name on it, my name's going down. Narena's already ready for the next one. Where's the y-intercept? Where's that y-intercept? Good. Ms. Brown, when I say Shalika, you say? Brown. Good job. When I say slope, you say? No, rate of change. Oh.
You made me say intercept.
Take personal responsibility. Own your actions. Good. I've got it as a negative 6. Negative 6. Put it all together for me in an equation.
I did that.
You did that? Do it again. Put it together for me. There's my y-intercept negative 6. Build me an equation. Good. Hold on to it. Do not erase it. Do not erase it. Do not erase it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Don't erase. That's good. Don't erase. That's good. Don't erase. Don't erase. That's good. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Don't erase it. Good. We're going to say you forgot your x. You lost your x. Good. Grab a mug. What? Ready? Here it is. Y equals negative 1/5 x minus 6. Y equals negative 1/5 x minus 6. Y equals negative 1/5 x 6. Y equals negative 1/5 x 1/5. 1/5. You keep saying 1/2. 1/5 x. Doesn't he? He was saying 1/2. Okay. Good. Erase your whiteboard. There's all the answers for it. Go to slide number 5 and find me the slope. Go to slide 5 and find me the slope. You are saying this thing goes up 4 and over 1. That's what you're telling me. Yep. Good. Is that a negative line? That's a negative line. This one, no. I thought, there you go. Good. Keep it in the fraction. The reason is I really want to go to y over 1. It's not wrong, but it's not.
I just wanted to see if you'd catch it.
How old are you? You're 13x. Good. It's a measurement. Yeah. The x is a variable.
The x is part of the equation.
The x is part of the equation. The slope is a measurement. 1/4. Now go and find me the y-intercept. Oh, excellent, Gantry. Good. Coming back. No, I got it. Good. Petnat. Good. Oh, go check yours again. Good. Nah, check that one out. Show it to me. Look at hers.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Good. Nice. And 7? Negative 7. Put it all together for me. Build me an equation. Do not erase it. Good. Don't erase. Don't erase. Good. Get yours down. Good. Don't erase. Good. And let's sing it. y equals 1/4 x minus 7. 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 Last time we did this lesson, that was it. We stopped, you started on the homework. But this is the second time we're doing it, and I told you we're going to do 2 lessons in one. So here's the second part of it. We know that this is just a line written as a table. If I plotted these points, and I could plot those points and draw the line and then find the slope-intercept equation that way, but I don't want to. I want to find the slope of this. I want you to get your notes back out. We're going to put this into our notes. Get your notes.
That graph?
Get your note. Draw this table in your notes. I know it says f of x, but we can think of that as a y. If I have x, y. Three, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. Track with me on the notes. Is x the run or the rise?
Rise.
X is the run. Is y the run or the rise? The rise. Is this looking familiar?
Yes,
sir.
Marvin says it does. Marvin, it was at 3, now it's at 4. How did it change? +1. That's your run. Petnack, how did it change from here to here?
It went up 1.
That's your rise. On your whiteboard, what is the slope of this line? Good. No. Good, 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 good. Get you 1/1. 1/1.
Oh, with the slope?
The slope.
Oh, okay.
Oh, gotcha. You gave me an intercept. I see.
Yeah.
1/1. The slope of this line is 1/1. What could I call it instead of a slope?
Rate of change?
It's also called a rate of change, which kind of makes sense. It's how's it changing? How's it changing? Good. The slope of this is 1/1. Rise over run. That. So if I ask you how old you are you going to say x over y? No. Slope is a number. It's a measurement. It's a measurement of the steepness of a line. Now, is this the y-intercept?
No.
How do you know?
Because it's an X.
Because it's not 0. This lesson's coming back. Is this the y-intercept?
No.
How do you know?
It's
Not 0. Is this the y-intercept?
No.
Oh, so the y-intercept's up here somewhere, isn't it? Right? 5, 4, 3.
1, 7.
Oh, it's up here. 4, 3, 2.
1. 0. -1.
Okay, on your whiteboard, where's the y-intercept? There you go, Michael. Where's the y-intercept? Good. Good, good. Good. Where's the y-intercept? I gotta go find it. It's up here. It's right there at -1. The y-intercept's at -1. Put it all together for me.
No.
We have a slope of 1, an intercept at -1. Build me the equation.
Good job. I put it the 1.
Good. This piece right here.
I have the First Amendment right to put the 1.
You can drop the 1.
I'm right now.
So this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, isn't that the word one? Good. Let's sing a song. Grab a mug. Y equals x minus 1. Y equals x minus 1. Y equals x minus 1. Y equals x minus 1.
That's easy.
Alright. Slide number 9. Will you find the slope for me and show me the whiteboard? Find the slope, show me the whiteboard.
Easy one.
So how about that Fortnite Battle Royale?
What?
Find the slope, show me the whiteboard. Good. Good, 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 good. Show me the slope. Just the slope. Good, good. I've got the slope at 1.
Oh no.
1 over 1, which is 1. Boom. There's my slope. Find me my y-intercept. And I even did it for you. Get Mr. Barre. Thank you, Mr. Barre. Mr. Barre, making my life easier. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's good. You did not get a good. Yeah, that's good. Now you got a good. Good, 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 good. I've got it as 25. Put it together for me. You don't, get rid of the 1. You don't need it. Good, good, good. Get rid of the 1. You don't need it.
I told
Good. Give me an X. You forgot it. Good. Get rid of the 1. You don't need it. Right? It's just 1X and X are the same thing. Grab a mug, Lisa Brown. Let's sing this one slowly.
Hey, sweet.
Y equals X plus 25. Y equals X plus 25. Y equals X plus 25. Equals X plus 25. How many X cells are there?
7.
And I think it's 15 and 15 at 80s. Is that right?
Yeah, get up to 80. No,
Fif-
it says spend 15 minutes each or get up to 80.
Right,
Whatever
so-
comes first.
So if you get to an 80, you get to stop on one of them, but you have to do them both.
Yeah.
You get them both to 15 or both to 80s.
Or you can yeah, but if you get to 15, you have to be 50%.
Yeah, right. It's a normal thing. 15 minutes. I call it 15 minutes or 80, right?
Yes.
I think you understand by now.
Yes.
Start on the homework.
You just shoot me.
This is my hand.
Oh, you were like.
No, I'm pointing. It's a pointing, and I do the Disneyland 2-finger point.
It's rude to point.
2 fingers is okay.
It's
I watched.
Disneyland also.
It's the Disneyland point.
But then you also have 2 fingers pointing back at you.
I'm.
So it's like this. Go like this.
I watched the whole thing about it. There's a point they have to use at Disneyland, and I am using that pointing. It's a 2-finger point
Why did they have to use it?
because a 1-finger point is rude in some cultures. Not in our culture though. So leave me alone. Okay.
Plus 25.
I'm done.